Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you guys how to treat pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, pimple marks and skin discoloration from your skin. This home remedy is made up of all natural ingredients and have potato and sandalwood as its main ingredient. Potatoes are really good for your skin. Potato bleaches your skin and helps in skin lightening, skin brightening and in removing all the unevenness from your skin. Potatoes also have the tendency to remove dark spots and pigmentation permanently from your skin, and it can make your skin spotless and clear. And sandalwood is a brilliant ingredient for your skin. It is rich in antioxidants, skin whitening properties as well as in anti-aging properties. Sandalwood is really great for your skin. If you want to remove the suntan from your skin, then you should definitely use the sandalwood. It has skin brightening, skin lightening, skin tightening as well as anti-aging properties, which makes your skin bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now without further ado, let's see how to prepare this homemade magical face mask to treat skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and to brighten and clear out your skin tone. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need 2 potatoes, and here I'm just taking these 2 potatoes and I'm just cutting them into small pieces. After that, you just have to put all these potato pieces into the blending jar. Now after that, you have to add rose water into it, and here I'm adding approx 3 to 4 teaspoons of rose water into it, and now you just have to blend them really nicely to make a smooth paste. And after blending it really nicely, your homemade potato paste is ready and it will look something like this. And we'll use this paste to make our potato face mask. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need gram flour, or it's also known as Besan in Hindi, and here I'm taking 2 teaspoons of gram flour into a clean bowl. Next up, we are gonna need sandalwood powder, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder into this bowl. Now I'm just giving a good mix to both these powder ingredients so that they could combine well. After that, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Now next up, you're gonna need lemon, and here I'm squeezing half lemon into it. Now next up, you're going to need that potato pulp or the potato paste which we just made, and here I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of that potato paste into it. Now after adding the potato paste, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all could combine well and mix with each other really nicely to make a smooth paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade skin lightening, skin brightening and anti-aging face mask is ready. And the consistency of this mask should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much smooth and lump free as I'm showing you in the video. So this face mask is really good face mask for the people who have pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, pimple marks or any type of skin discoloration on their skin. It can remove all your pimples and acne as well, and can even remove suntan from your skin permanently. This face mask is fully packed with antioxidants as well as anti-aging properties. It can fade away all your wrinkles and fine lines, and it can make your skin bright, glowing, radiant and supremely crystal clear. So now let's see how to use this face mask for best results. So you just need to take a little amount of this face mask and apply it onto your skin. After applying it, just gently scrub your skin using this face mask. Just massage it onto your skin for around 1 or 2 minutes. And after giving a good massage to your skin using this face mask, just apply a thick layer of this face mask all over your skin. and after applying a thick layer, just leave it like that for around 15 to 20 minutes so that it can dry up completely. And once it dry completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then powder and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.